Alrighty guys, this is an elevator here at Menards in Bellevue, Nebraska. And guess what? It looks like it's a ThyssenKrupp. It's so strange. Blue. Hold on, this is Schumacher. It's a Schumacher. It's a Schumacher. Oh, not a great way to start the elevator. Oh, okay, this thing is brand new. Smooth going down. Sounds wonderful. Here we go. What's going on with this thing? I mean, it was literally bouncing. Holy crap, man. This is a nice elevator, but it's running like crap right now. Wow. I'm alright, actually. This thing is bouncing like crazy. Here we go. Okay, I'm ending the video. One. And guess what? It's a Schumacher. These are new buttons. Look at that. It's pretty nice. Sadly, this is running like crap right now. Here we one. Holy crap, man. Yeah, you think it's a ThyssenKrupp button. Look at that. It's a ThyssenKrupp button. This is so odd. Thought we had ThyssenKrupp for a sec, but no, Abel. Schumacher, sorry. But yeah, there it goes. But yeah, what a ride. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.